Hey, what's up guys? This is Claire and welcome back to my channel, and in this video we will be opening my Boya By-Mm1 vlogger microphone. So if you want to check this item out, then keep on watching. If you haven't already, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell for more future videos. Let's go on with the unboxing. So, today we will be opening this Boya By-Mm1, aka the vlogger microphone. 2 years ago, this one is like around 2,000 pesos, even in Shopee. But now, I think it's just like 700 pesos. I got this from One Gadget for 719 pesos. I know this is not the cheapest out there, but I don't really mind paying a little bit more if it means that I'm getting a more legit one, because I saw that there are cheaper ones but they're fake, so I don't want to really risk that. So yeah, I bought this from a trusted online seller. I ordered it last December 26th at like 8:30 in the evening, and it came today, December 30. I will post the link in the description box so that you can check it out too. Okay, so let's open this one. Alright, and I can see that it's like nicely wrapped up. Ooh, really excited! It has decent packaging and it's a microphone, so it's a fragile thing, and you know, couriers are balahura these days. So let's get my trusty scissors. There she goes. There she goes. Wait. Okay, so this is... So I bought 3 things from them. The actual microphone. I also bought the Boya aluminum alloy bracket, because later you will see why. And this adapter. So this is Boya By-Mm1 universal cardioid microphone. It's compatible with smartphones, tablets, DSLR cameras, metal construction. There's no battery required, which is, I think that's a plus. And there's a professional furry windshield included, or the dead cat windshield. Okay, there's some specifications here. I am impressed. There are no dents in the boxes, which is really good because it's totally protected by the bubble wrap, so it didn't really have a lot of dents, and any dents actually. It's like, for an OC person like me, it's quite satisfying. Okay. Ooh! So here, okay, so this one's the microphone, and the dead cat windshield. I actually thought this one is like bigger, because as I can see through the pictures, it's really bigger, but this is my hand, and this is... Oh, it's actually, it looks nice. Let's take this out. Okay, so here's the microphone. It's so cute. Like, I hope it's nice. This is the shock mount. The cord. There's a traveling case. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set this up. I think you can watch other videos if you don't know how to set it up, and I'll be right back. Don't you go anywhere. Okay guys, so this is my setup. It kind of looks professional. It's not that heavy, I think, compared to other microphones, and Yeah, I like the look of it. So I needed the aluminum alloy cold shoe extension, kind of like an extension, because my viewer is up here. So just imagine if the microphone is up here. I cannot see myself when vlogging. So, oh my gosh, I think it's so good. The last thing that I would want to test is how good the microphone sounds. Yeah, I'm just so excited. But anyway, guys, okay, let's do some test videos now. Okay, guys, so this is the test. This is from the built-in microphone, meaning there's no I didn't attach the Boya microphone yet, and I think, as you can see, it's really echoey. My room is kind of empty and has like no carpets at all or anything to block out the echo, so it's just reflects over the place, and it's quite echoey. And now I'm gonna put on the microphone. So guys, I really can't tell from now if there's a difference. I could notice it post-processing. Maybe I can like just give you a voiceover of my thoughts. And so yeah, I think that's it, guys. I hope that you like this video. If you have questions, you can put down in the comment section below. I have a new Instagram. You could follow me there and send me questions, or if you want someone to talk to, I'm here for you, girls. And yeah, I think that's it. Thank you for watching until this part of the video. Hope that I see you on my next one. Bye.